How to see hidden videos on YouTube playlist. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube. Simply log into your account, then click on View option, which is located on left side. Simply click on View Full Playlist. If you have hidden, it will just show you three. Suppose you have three and it's gonna only show three videos, but only one videos can be seen. So simply click on three dots, and then in here you'll find hidden videos option. Simply click on it and you're good to go. I have no hidden videos, so I won't be able to share that part of the clip. And this is how to see hidden videos on YouTube playlist. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.